we're shining a spotlight on a small county, but powerful county. You probably haven't never ever heard about it, and it's called Bent County, Colorado. Yes, Colorado, but not Denver, Colorado, or Colorado Springs. No high prices here, no bidding wars either. We're talking rural Colorado land, property that's heading to auction on online tax sales. So it's happening this November, November 6th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time, hosted on GovEase. And if you're thinking, is there even any opportunity in a small county like this? Let me tell you something. Investors who win are the ones who go where the crowd isn't, right? And Bent County is exactly that. So let's set the scene, shall we? Bent County is located in the southeastern region of Colorado along the Arkansas River, right off of US Highway 50. It's what I call quiet but strategic location. The population wise is pretty small. I ain't gonna lie, just over like 5,500 residents. And that's what makes it like really, really good. Most investors will like walk away from that, but smart investors will ask themselves like this question: what does a small population mean at a tax sale? Well, it means less competition. It also means overlooked parcels, overlooked land, lower starting bids, and the translation for you: bigger opportunities for buyers who are paying attention. So even though it's a small county, all right, Bent County has surprisingly a stable economy there, right? The government and corrections facilities are the major employers there, meaning that most people have steady jobs. Agriculture is a huge element there. People are raising cattle, they're farming, and land is being leased there, and opportunities like everywhere. People are leasing land. So outdoor recreation is huge. People are hunting on their land, so it's definitely in high demand. And rural parcels from tax sales often get scooped up just for that purpose, so people can go hunting. So the medium home value, what is it? It's roughly about $135,000, which is dirt cheap compared to Colorado's statewide average of about $600,000. So the gap alone tells you one thing: there is massive spread potential waiting for you. And if land comes available in this tax sale, whether it's residential lots, it's rural acreage, or even old homestead parcels, you're buying into Colorado's real estate at liquidation prices. So unlike sheriff sales or foreclosure sales where you're buying full ownership immediately, tax sales in Colorado often work on a lien system. And here's what that means in simple terms. We're going to keep it simple, right? So instead of buying the property outright, you're buying the delinquent taxes owed on it. The owner still has time to redeem, meaning they can pay you back with interest. And if they don't, you may eventually claim the deed for that property. So it's a two-way win either way. If they redeem, you earn interest. If they don't, you potentially own the property pennies on the dollar, all right? So that's why tax lien investing is one of the best ways to build wealth without any tenants, without any repairs, without any property headaches, anything like that. So now here's something I really like about this sale. It has a pre-bidding option. So on November 5th at 10 a.m., I highly recommend, and I really do, I really highly recommend this. I recommend taking advantage of the pre-bidding. Why? Because when you pre-bid, you can set your maximum bid early and avoid getting caught in a clicking, bidding war and getting all emotional about it at the live auction. So think of it like this. It's like telling the system, hey, I'm willing to go up to this amount, but not a penny more. It keeps you disciplined, it keeps the emotion out, and it keeps you unentangled, right? And most importantly, it keeps their impulse from bidding all over the place, right? So you'd be like sniper, really, really sharp. So here's the bottom line. If you've been priced out of big city markets, if you tried, and you're tired of like chasing retail deals, or if you've been waiting for an entry point into a tax lien or land investing opportunity, Bent County, Colorado might be your test run, right? It's a small market, it has low barrier, online access, and a lot of high upside. So now if you want to go deeper and you're wondering, is this strategy right for you or right for me? All you got to do is one thing. You should be talking to me, right? If you want to know about tax liens, tax deeds, share sales, let's talk. I'm opening up a few spots for clarity calls this week. I'll be helping you mapping out whether this type of investing fits your budget, whether it fits your location and your long-term plans and your objectives, your goals, how you see yourself winning in life. So just comment Bent County below in the description or click the description and I'll send you the link to book an appointment with me personally, right? So until next time, stay smart, stay unconventional, and remember, the best deals are rarely on Zillow. They're hiding in county records where nobody's looking. So see you in the next one, you guys.